All right, everyone, it's Pastor Dave, and I got a black helicopter circling right above me, and I got to be careful that they don't see me filming them. I have no idea what's going on. I'm going to try to keep it posted. He's coming back this way, so I'm going to drop the camera down. Oh. There he is again. He was looking right at me. I have no idea. I'm just trying to be careful here. You can see it through my windshield. I don't want to stick my camera phone out the window. Is he going to land? What's going on? It's a black helicopter's got some gold on it, or brown. I don't know if it's where it's from, if it's police, if it's military, if it's government. And he's coming low now. Oh, my. Let's get it up as close as I can. And he's coming back. And I'm going to drop my phone down. I don't want him to... I don't know if they have binoculars to see me filming him. Oh. Let's see if he's going to make the turn again. Yeah, he's turning, so I'm going to bring the phone down. I'll get back with you.